Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about a common search made by traders online, especially beginners when they come into the Forex markets. It's in relation to Forex trading strategies, and it's this: always win Forex trading strategy, always profit trading strategy. Now, is there such a strategy that exists? The answer is no. It sounds too good to be true. It is too good to be true. You can't win all the time in the Forex markets. Now, related to this, traders will also search, trading strategies high percentage of winners. And they'll come across a lot of strategies saying they win 80 or 90% of the time. They'll be very attracted to those. They don't work either, okay? Now, just consider this. If I really wanted to, I could probably win 80, 90% of my trades, no problem at all, okay? The downside for me would be I'd never ever make any money and I'd quickly wipe out my account. Why? Because the way the markets move, it's probability, expected payout and risk. Now, if you don't understand the concept, I'm just going to go through it and just give you trading strategies that do work and what sort of percentage of winners you need to make a lot of money from the Forex markets. And it's a lot less than most beginners think. You do not need a high percentage of winners. So let me just explain in more detail. We're just going to go to a storyboard and go through some points in relation to this. All right, let's have a look at probability, winning percentages and profits in relation to trading strategies. Now, in terms of point number one, a quote comes from Bill Eckhart, one of the true trading greats of all time, taught the turtle traders with Richard Dennis. And they were a group of traders who made several $100 million with a very simple system. Dennis and Eckhart taught it to them in a few weeks. And they reinforced this quote home to the traders, okay? And I'll just read it out. The desire to maximize the number of winning trades or minimize the number of losing trades works against the trader. The success rate of trades is the least important performance statistic and maybe even inversely related to profit, okay? So just think about that point. The success rate of trades is the least important performance statistic. It is. And if you look at the turtle trading strategy, they only won 20% of their trades. They made hundreds of millions of dollars. It's their winners were so much bigger than their losers. It's a difference in terms of size between profits and losses that traders should be focused on, not the win rate. Now, in terms of a high win rate, it will never give you decent profits longer term because your profits are going to be low or small and they're not going to be enough to cover your losing trades. Now, I did a little experiment myself. I tried to see how high a win rate I could actually get, okay? And I got to just about 80%. It was 81 actually. And all I did was trade for 20 pip profits, okay? As soon as I got 20 pip profits, I would take them. And I only did it in strong trending markets that were volatile. But the problem was I lost overall because the stop I had to use to get that 80% win rate was 100 pips, okay? So you got 2 losing trades at 200 pips. You've got 8 winning trades at 160 pips. So you're down 40 pips. And of course, you got the transaction costs in there as well. It doesn't work. So for me, in terms of my win rate, normally it's around about 50%, slightly less, but it doesn't matter because my winners over time are going to be bigger than my losers. And I think a lot of traders, when they're coming in the markets, they just don't understand daily volatility. If you're trading for small profits, you've got to use a reasonable stop. Otherwise, you get stopped out more than I did on my little test, okay? It just doesn't work. The volatility of most Forex pairs can be 100, maybe 200 pips a day from high to low. So what you've got to do is obviously use a realistic stop, okay? Mine is actually 100 to 150 pips, but I wouldn't snatch my profits. I'd let them run. Okay? Let the profits run, cut the losers. Everyone's heard that advice. But yeah, when traders come in the markets, they just forget about kind of common sense. It must be common sense. You can't have an always win trading strategy, for example. But that search, so many people look for always winning, always profit strategies. They're obviously just marketing techniques. When you see these guys demonstrate the systems or strategies online, they're laughable. They're always backwards. You see it's all done in hindsight. And when they have high percentage trading systems, again, it's marketing. I mean, most popular is 97%. It's just a joke. So I think, yeah, it really gives Forex a bad name, the people who promote these strategies. I think, yeah, if you're coming in the Forex markets, yeah, just forget about winning the majority of your trades. What you want to do is make money over the longer term. That's your aim. Individual trades don't matter, okay? You judge a strategy over 3 months, 6 months, or a year. Yeah, it has to be a realistic time period because you are going to get winning periods, you are going to have periods of drawdown. But if you've got a strategy with an edge that is soundly based, runs profits and cuts losses, then you're going to make money, aren't you? Now, what winning percentage is realistic? It really depends on the type of strategy. If you're a long-term trend follower, you probably risk more than 100, 150 pips. You might risk 200, 250 pips. Okay, so you're going to need really big profits. And yeah, I know trend followers who do risk, 250 pips a trade and make thousands on the other side. But like the turtles I mentioned earlier, who were long-term trend followers, yeah, they don't make a lot of trades profitable. I mean, they have a lot of losses. So, yeah, 20 to 30% are winning trades. That's 70 to 80% losing trades. If you're slightly shorter term trader, maybe you're a swing trader, okay, it varies. I'm mostly swing trading. Yeah, just below 50% for me. People I know who are successful between 40 and 60%. Okay, and that's enough, really. And I think you've got to obviously keep it in mind. Obviously, that the amount of winning trades is not significant when you're choosing strategies, and most beginners don't think about this before they come in the market. So I'll just leave you with one statistic which I thought was really interesting. Obviously, I mentioned Bill Eckhart. His partner Richard Dennis once said that when he analysed his trades, 90% of his profits came from just 1% of his trades. So that really proves the point that I'm trying to put over in this video. In terms of the best strategies and so forth to use, I always think swing trading strategies, long-term trend following strategies. If you want some advice on strategies, you can obviously look across our YouTube channel or join our free mailing list on the link beneath this video. Right, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care and have a good day.